How to connect Printful with WooCommerce. Connecting your WooCommerce store with Printful is an excellent way to start a print-on-demand (POD) business. WooCommerce, a plugin for WordPress, allows you to build a fully customizable online store, and when integrated with Printful, it automates the process of printing, production, and shipping, allowing you to focus on design and marketing. Here's a step-by-step guide to connecting Printful with WooCommerce. Step-by-step guide to connect Printful with WooCommerce. 1. Install WooCommerce on your WordPress site. If you don't have a WordPress site yet, begin by setting up a website through wordpress.org. Once your site is live, go to the dashboard of your WordPress site. Navigate to Plugins. Add New and search for WooCommerce. Click Install and then Activate to enable WooCommerce on your site. Follow the WooCommerce setup process, including selecting your currency, payment methods, and shipping options. 2. Sign up for a Printful account. Visit Printful and create a free account by entering your name, email, and password. Once registered, you'll be able to access the Printful dashboard, where you can start managing your designs, products, and orders.